So, ang goal natin, kung nandito tayo ngayon sa left side of the quadrant, ang goal talaga natin, and ang goal nitong ginagawa kong sessions dito is for us to go to the right side of the quadrant. If we can go straight, being an investor, why not? Pero, kung makikita mo yung flow, kung didiretso ka sa investor, malaki naman ang kita ko as a solo, malaki naman ang kita ko na doktor ako, malaki akong kumita, correct? Maraming mga ganun dito. Mga high-paying jobs. Pero, hindi ka magkakaroon ng sustainable investment kung wala kang business na makikreate. Kaya to be stable in everything sa ating finances, pag-aralan nyo mabuti itong ESBI na to. So right now, both of you are employed. You don't have any side business, do you? No. Okay. So definitely because you don't have a side business, you don't even have any idea on how to create a big business. So para ang mangyayari sa inyo, you are an employee and you're trying to invest a little bit ng money nyo on the I quadrant. Like you have your wealth simple, you have your other assets, paper assets from the bank, which is not really, hindi ganun kalaking mag-generate ng money on for you. But it's still better than just putting your money na parang naka-savings lang. Correct? Mas maganda pa rin yung ginagawa niyo na meron kayong stocks, meron kayong ganong klaseng paper assets that you have, although you don't really have a control on that kasi it depends on how the market. Pagdating sa stocks, market ang nagdidictate niyan. Pagdating sa mga mutual funds, again, market ang nagdidictate niyan. Wala tayong control. Ang asset, ang real estate asset, tayo yung nagko-control nun. Taasan natin ang rent. Kahit sabihin mo merong residential tenancy branch na nagko-control niyan, at least meron ka pa rin control, hindi lang sila. Okay? So yun yung advantage natin. Para sa inyong dalawa, Romel, Christy, there is actually a book on this. This one is very, very simple to understand. If you would want to be a self-employed, ano yung passion ko na pwede kong i-develop na maging business? Kung wala yon, pwede ako mag-invest, just like what you're saying, what you're studying right now. But masyadong magiging limited. Paano, Ate Mel, kung ito lang yung aking income na generate and I have money, I have kids, going to colleges pa yung iyong mga anak. So it's better to understand how this money would work for you. Isa sa magiging mission natin together na pagka nag-invest tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng a little streams of businesses on the side para magkaroon tayo ng additional investment sa ating magiging mga portfolio. So that's ESBI. Employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Yung kaninang parepalo natin, actually dito iba dito. 96% ang nasa left side ng quadrant. Only 4% ang naandito sa right side. Kaya kokonti talaga. Don't even wonder why we are on the left. Kasi majority talaga ng mga tao nasa left side of the quadrant. But lucky us kasi natututo tayo ngayon, dito sa session natin, natututo tayo ngayon na magkaroon ng possibility, pwede pala tayong lumipat sa I quadrant. Pwede pala tayong lumipat sa business owner quadrant. So, dito tayo magpo-focus, magkaroon ng discussions moving forward. Kaya, understanding real estate as our investment, we also has to understand that we have to have at least a business that would support our intention of investing. Hindi lang basta job, hindi lang basta simple kind of, passive investment sa ating mga savings, kundi talagang negosyo, business na mag-grow over time. Anyways, I hope you learned from me. I will be so blessed na makasama kayo sa susunod nating days. Malapit na, medyo may niluluto-luto na tayo.
That's good.
Excited din ako kasi syempre it's not that easy to find deals. But meron at meron. Ang priority ko talaga dito tayo sa Manitoba. Pero kung tayo ay magkakaroon ng limitations dito, I would really explore the US market. Papasukin natin yan. 'Di ba?